Good afternoon, my dear students. In the previous class, we discussed about the fifth chapter, loops and graphics in small basic. Let us continue that chapter. Looping statements or loop. What is looping statement? A looping statement or loop is used to execute an instruction or a group of instructions multiple times or till a specific condition is satisfied. And each execution of the set of instruction through a loop is called a iteration. And small basic uses two types of looping statements. First one, for and for loop. Second one, while and while loop. First one, for and for loop. And this for and for loop statement used to execute set of instructions for a specific number of times. And it is useful when a number of iterations is known beforehand. The for and for loop lets to define a variable called a counter variable, and for the number of iterations and assign it an initial and a final value. After each iteration, small basic increment the value of the counter variable by 1. And the for loop execute till the value of counter variable is less than or equal to its final value. And the syntax for and for loop is for variable name, initial value to final value, and instructions to be executed, then end with the end for. Okay. When the value of the counter variable in a for loop is incremented by 1. We can increment the counter variable by any other value. We use one keyword that is known as step, and step is used to increment the counter variable by any other value than 1. For variable equal initial value to final value and step value, and instructions to be executed and end for. And the second one, which is the second one, while and while loop. The while and end while loop or while loop is used to execute a set of instructions multiple times based on a condition. The while loop execute till the specified condition evaluate to true, and it is useful when the number of representation is not known beforehand. And the while and end while loop uses a counter variable which is already defined earlier. The value of counter variable is incremented inside the while loop, and there is no final value of the counter variable, and the loop terminates when the specified condition evaluates to false. Is it clear, students? Next one, graphic window object. The graphic window object in a small basic is used to perform graphics related input and output operations in the graphic window, and it allows to draw lines and shapes with different colors. The graphic window is used to display graphics in small basic, and its width pixels wide in and height pixels high. The position of any pixel in the window is represented by a set of two coordinates, x and y. The x and y coordinate of the top left corner of the graphic window are 0, 0. The x coordinate increases from left to right, and y coordinate increases from top to bottom. Dear students, all the students should read the textbook. So many examples are given in the textbook, and also the properties and method of graphic window objects are displayed in the textbook. All the students should read the chapter. Okay, let us wind up today's class. This chapter is also over. After watching the video, all the students should read the chapter and also complete the notes in your notebook. Thank you, students.